Recently the flu hit me pretty hard, so this is the routine I put on my face when I just want to feel a little bit better or I have to go out and put a little bit of makeup on. Starting with skincare, I'm using this Manuka Honey by Antipodes eye cream. It is super hydrating because when you're sick, your skin just goes so dry. So I'm putting this like quite heavily around my eye area and around my nose because this is really good for hydrating that as well. For the rest of my face, I'll be taking my favourite Sukin sensitive moisturiser. I love the fact that it has a pump bottle for one. It is great for sensitive skins, but it still hydrates your face. So I slather this on so heavily actually, and I really work that into the skin until it's pretty much fully absorbed. And as the rest of the world knows, your lips become the Sahara Desert when you're sick because you're blowing your nose, you're not drinking enough water, so you just have to moisturise. For priming today, I'll be taking the Boujois Light Serum Primer because it leaves a nice glowy finish to the face. Then I'm going in with this green concealer from NYX Cosmetics because when I get sick, I go quite pale and my acne spots really show through. So I'm piling these all over my acne spots at the moment and I'm blending them out. You can totally choose not to use foundation, but the foundation I will be applying today is the designer brand's Luminous foundation. It leaves your skin beautiful. It is super hydrating, dewy finish, and it's medium to full coverage, so it covers quite a lot but leaves the skin looking super natural and your skin but better feeling. And it lasts a really long time, so when you're rubbing your nose all day and the rest of your face, it actually lasts through that. The concealers I will be using today, I'll be using two. The Age Rewind by Maybelline underneath my eyes and to highlight the rest of my face, and the Nars Soft Matte Concealer to just conceal those extra spots that I just wasn't happy with the foundation covering. Now I really like this concealer under my eyes because it is light, especially when I'm sick. It really emphasizes how highlighty it should be. It makes me feel so much more awake. To bronze and sculpt my face, I'm not using any powder products because I feel like they're just too drying for my skin. So I'm going in with this darker shade of the Maybelline Stick Foundation and I'm just bronzing it up. I feel like cream products just work really best for when I'm sick. It just blends out seamlessly and gives it a little bit of colour without too much effort. For blush, I'll be using this Tarte cream blush. It's really nice, but don't apply it straight to the face because it'll take off the rest of your makeup. So I'm just applying it with my fingers and it leaves a beautiful touch of colour so you look healthier and awake. For a glow today, I'll be using the Model's Own Sculpting Glow, and I'm not sure the shade, but it will be linked down below. But this is beautiful. This particular shade is Pearly Pink, which I really like, and it just leaves the skin naturally glowing, and it looks like you're super healthy, which obviously you're not right now, and I'm obsessed with this product. I will set under my eyes because I do tend to crease, and I also set under my nose area as well because I know that's sort of where it'll wear off through the day. Because brows are extremely important, and through the magic of editing, there you go, I will be using my Chichi brow pomade today in the shade Dark Brown, which is my all-time favourite, but I go for a really full, fluffy brow with this. So I'm taking the spoolie, brushing them up quite full, and then just filling them in where they need them and creating a shape for the tail because I'm missing quite a bit of hair there. So it looks very natural and very youthful. It's what I really like. I'm curling my eyelashes because I will not be applying any eyeshadow or eyeliner today because that just gets messy. But I'm applying two different mascaras. One's from Rimmel and one is from Essence. I'm applying the Essence one first because that is very waterproof. And then I apply the Rimmel one after that. And that gives you a really voluminous but stay put mascara throughout the day, just in case you get watery eyes or anything like that. I find just mascara works a lot better because it doesn't irritate your eyes as much as like eyeshadows would. And that's a big difference. Actually, I really like that. I didn't want to apply eyeshadow all over, but I did want to apply it in the inner corner, so I'm using this Juvias Place eyeshadow, very pale, but it's super highlighty and makes you feel so much and look so much more awake. For the lips, I wanted to stick with a very hydrating theme. This is from Tarte. It's like a tinted lip balm. It is stunning. It smells like mint, so it's delicious, but it gives you that sheer wash of colour over the lips, makes you look a bit more healthier. It smells amazing. And it's super hydrating, so you can apply it throughout the day. And that is actually the final look. It is super simple and it just makes me feel better when I'm sick.